What is going on, YouTubers? This is Shaun4225 bringing you another video. Now, I decided to wear this shirt, seeing as the video I'm going to be singing today. Now, I will actually be singing Chocolate Rain also, hopefully, if I can figure out how to do all the, get with the pace stuff. Anyways, what I'll be singing today is Cherry Chocolate Rain by Zonday. Let's do this. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Tay. It's T-A-Y. T-A-Y to the Z. This is the web, and it's gonna murder your TV. It was Chocolate Rain. Wrote a song about that history. Chocolate Rain. Now I paid a hefty fee. Chocolate Rain. Listen to the funky rhymes I weave. Chocolate Rain. I move away from the mic to breathe. He moves his mouth away from the mic so he can breathe. He moves his mouth away from the mic so he can breathe. I want to tell you about a love that took me by force. She hit my heart like a wild red horse. I call her Cherry Chocolate Rain. I open the door and see you standing at Cherry Chocolate Rain. Pull me in with that delicious stare. Cherry Chocolate Rain. I need you right now, don't you want to stay? Cherry Chocolate Rain. Your beauty burns me like a solar ray. Most brand video clips, most exclusive video chicks, making big videos with big city pros. Got mad pay to pose, make me go, oh. Make it pop, cherry, flow. Make me talk on the rock, mail blurry blows. Ridiculous. Mr. Johnson and Tay Zonday, sick with this. Cherry chocolate rain. Release my love and unlock the chains. Cherry chocolate rain. Your energy is coursing through my veins. Cherry chocolate rain. Ohio's agriculture based on grains. Cherry chocolate rain. My love will never be the same. Dark, secret, unexpected, taste that secret. You're infected. Cure my body's deepest pains. Brought the thunder, made it rain. Oh, my cherry chocolate rain. I love you. This internet thing is wild. Thanks for watching. Comment, rate, and subscribe. This has been another video from Shaun4225. Peace.